Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DOGBull token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, DOGO is pure Dejan energy on Robinhood chain. 101 Dalmatian led by the Bull King. 1 Doge is a pet. 101 is a full down stamped. No soft vibes, just loud memes. Diamond hands and a pack that doesn't slow down for anyone. Back if you want. They run the narrative and join the pack or get left in the dust. 1 Doge is a pet, 101 a war machine, and they are looking in. DOGBull token total supplies 1.01 billion and circulating supplies also 1.01 billion DOGO token. DOGO token is listed on Uniswap, V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.